Today we're going to do a virtual tour in this beautiful apartment 1.5 in Inverrary, Florida, and we're going to use the 360 Insta 1 inch. We're going to start doing this virtual tour connecting the cell phone with the camera, and we're going to do an HDR photos, 9 shots per photo, and we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do a virtual tour. Now we're gonna use the Insta360 Studio. We're gonna open 9 pictures I take with the Insta360 1 inch camera, and the software is gonna merge all these 9 pictures as you can see in the bottom and one picture, and it's a HDR picture. So now we're gonna export as a 360 photo, and we're gonna select the file 360 export file. Already select export. We're gonna listen the bell. That means the picture is already export. So this is how it looks, the picture. You can see the legs of the tripod on the bottom, so we can delete these legs on the Affinity software. You can use Photoshop, but I like Affinity Photo. This is the version number 2, by the way. So we're gonna open the picture here, and we're gonna start deleting these legs on the bottom. So we select the picture, click on the layer tool, use the live projection and click in equirectangular projection, and then we're gonna click on the pitch, and we're going down, pulling this, and we're gonna use the inpainting brush tool, and we're gonna delete the leg. We have to do it twice to delete the shadow of the tripod. And you can see everything is deleted. One more here. Good, perfect. We're gonna click on layer tool again and remove the projection. So before we export this photo, we're gonna change the center point, clicking in layer tool, live projection, equirectangular projection, and we're gonna click now on hidden, and we're gonna move around the picture. So next time when we open this picture in any software, it's gonna show this direction. So we already changed the center, and we click in center coordinate system twice. Now this picture is gonna be ready to export. Click again in layer, live projection, remove projection. Now it's ready to be export. Make sure it's JPEG, the size of the picture, and best quality. We're gonna click and select the file. It's gonna be edit. Ready. Now we're gonna click on the file name edit, and this photo is ready to upload it on the software I use for my virtual tours. It's called Kula. You can open your account, personal account, or a pro for business. So I'm gonna upload it a single image, the one we already edit. This is how it looks, the picture on the Kula software. no legs, and the direction is showing the door of the kitchen. So now I'm gonna show you how to name this picture. It's gonna be the entry, and we're gonna add a hotspot, so we can click on this hotspot and we can go to the next location, which is gonna be the kitchen. And we're gonna add an action. That means when I click on that hotspot, we're gonna go to the next location. I'm gonna click on the picture I already uploaded, the kitchen, which is gonna be the action it's gonna take when I click. We're gonna save the picture, and we're gonna close this, and this is how it looks, the final picture. So we can click here and we can go to the next picture, which is gonna be the kitchen. As you can see, we go to the kitchen, we can look around. There's no legs. And I'm gonna show you the final virtual tour.